Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of Duolingo. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Duolingo and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. And then here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please